Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to class 5, subject science. Today's topic is sun, earth and moon. In our previous classes, in your 4th standard or 3rd standard, you have studied about the solar system. In this chapter, we are going to study in detail about the sun, the earth and the moon. Okay, so first thing we will learn what is a solar system. As we all know, solar system consists of the sun. The sun is the main thing in the solar system, and there are many other objects, and also there are 8 planets. Okay, how many planets are there? 8 planets. Now in this all other objects are, they are meteorites. Okay, all this will come under this, and the 8 planets. That is, you all know what are the 8 planets? Yes? Can you all tell? Repeat it. That is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay? These are the 8 planets. So, Sun, all the other objects and the 8 planets revolving or moving around the Sun. This is known as the solar system. So what does the solar system consist of? The sun, all the objects and the 8 planets moving around the sun. Okay. So this is called a solar system. And sun is the star. Okay. Sun is a star. Okay. And what have I written here? Elliptical objects. Elliptical orbits. Orbits, you all know. Orbit means path, that is moving on a track, that is known as orbit. 8 planets will move in a track. Each planet will go in its own way, that is known as path, okay, or orbit. It goes around the sun. Okay, each planet will not come and intervene with the other planet. They will be going in their own path, which is known as orbit. Okay. Now elliptical orbit means they will move not in a circle but in an oval way. Okay. So in an oval shape they are moving. That is known as elliptical. Elliptical means moving in oval shape. Okay. So all the planets and all the other objects will move around the sun in an elliptical orbit. That means in an oval shape pattern. Okay. Now look at the pictures. Yes. Now open page number 62. Here you can see there are 4 pictures. Yes. Now which among these is a star? Okay. Any guesses? Can you guess which is a star among these 4 pictures? Okay. Very good if you have said it is the sun. Okay. Sun is a star, but it is named as sun. And the next picture, what is it? It is Earth. Earth is a planet on which we all are living. Then the next picture, it is the red planet. Okay, that is Mars. Mars is the red planet. And the next picture, can you guess what it is? Just see carefully. Around that planet there is a ring. Okay, a clear visible ring is there around the planet. So it is which planet? It is Saturn. Okay, the Saturn is having a visible ring around it. Yes, so you all must write it down there. Look at the next picture now. Okay, so this is the picture of solar system. Can you see there what all are present there? Yes, there is sun, that is in the center, middle, and around it are the 8 planets. Can you see? Mercury is the first planet, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So all these planets are present in the solar system, and they are moving around what? They are revolving around the sun. Okay, they are revolving around the sun. have another thing there. Yes, can you see this? This ring here? Yes, this is a asteroid belt. Okay, that also moves around the sun. So all the objects which are present there will move around the sun. This is known as solar system. So solar system includes the sun, all the other objects and the 8 planets moving around the sun. Okay, and earlier Pluto was the 9th planet, but now it is not considered as a planet along with 8 planets, but it is called as a dwarf planet. Okay, this was given by the International Astronomical Union in August 2006. Okay, then we will talk about the sun now. Next picture. Yes, as I have said before itself, that the sun is the star which is closest to the earth. Same like other stars which are twinkling at night, which appear to be very small. Yes, sun is also a star, but it is a star which is very close to the earth. So it appears to be big. For example, when you are standing on the road, yes, you see a car, it looks bigger. But when you go on a 10th floor building, from there if you see the same car, it appears to be very small. Okay, so things which are closer to you appear big, and the things which are very far from you appear small. So in the same way, the sun is the star, but it is the closest star to the earth, so it appears very big. Okay, the distance between the sun and the earth is about 150 million kilometers. So it is very, very far. Okay, how many kilometers away from the earth? 150 million kilometers. And it is a hot ball of burning gases. Now, which kind of gases are present in the sun? They are mainly 2 gases. Okay, one is hydrogen gas and helium gas. Okay, what are the names of the gases? Hydrogen gas and helium gas. These 2 gases will have some reactions between them. Because of that, the heat comes out and also the light comes out. Okay, this heat and light of the sun is because of the 2 burning gases. What are they? Hydrogen and helium. Okay, then a thin layer of atmosphere called the corona surrounds the sun. Okay, so the sun is having a thin layer of atmosphere like a blanket. Okay, so there is a atmosphere around the sun. The name of that is corona. Okay, the diameter of the sun is 13,92,000 kilometers. Okay, so the diameter is the center part of the sun. Okay, from here to here, the whole center part, if you measure of the sun, it is 13,92,000 kilometers. So it is very, very big. The sun provides heat and light to us, which is known as solar energy. So what is the energy of the sun called? Solar energy. Okay. Then solar energy is a renewable source of energy. It is being used increasingly to meet the energy demands all over the world. Nowadays you can see even the signals run by solar energy. And we also have the solar cookers which are fit on the terrace or in the balcony so that we can prepare our food. And also electricity is produced by solar energy. Okay, students, thank you.